Welcome back to Usawa videos. Today I'm going to show you bank reconciliation process in Usawa. This is a very simple process. Kindly follow these steps. Go to banking. Click manage account. Select view. Here you can reconcile your transaction by typing the payee name, selecting the account, and clicking reconcile. You can click all data or click here to bulk reconcile your transaction or delete them. Type the payee name, select the account, click bulk reconcile. You can match your transaction with your invoices and bills. Please note, the suggested match transactions are highlighted in green. To match your transaction with your invoices or bill, click here. Confirm the invoice number and click reconcile. You can transfer from one bank to another by clicking the drop down here. Select bank transfer and then select the account you want to transfer to. For example, Access Bank USD. Type the amount in dollar and click transfer. Now you can raise a journal for your transaction by clicking the drop down here. Click on find operate, click entity, select not applicable, select the account, this is salary. Now you can allocate your transaction to any of your branches by selecting the tracking option. For example, Lagos, Orozo, and click create and allocate. You can also allocate your transaction to your existing invoice or bills. Click the drop down beside the transaction, select find operate, go to entity, select the customer or the supplier name, then confirm the invoice number. Now allocate. Thank you for watching.